for cartoons.
Round the bell. That's my boy. Now give it the old right. I say jolly smash, old boy. Egad, there goes the glass jaw. Ah, that's my kind of music. May I have the pleasure of this waltz?
Oh, gee, Doc. Dancing is sissy stuff.
Let me see now. They'll no doubt start off with hors d'oeuvres and canapes. There'll be asparagus vinaigrette, jellied eel livers, baked pinto beans cassoulet with mushrooms Beaumont.
Yeah, go on.
And we shall wash it down with a little...
Gee.
But good heavens, man, you can't go that way. You're not properly dressed.
How do I look?
You are the epitome of sartorial splendor.
Huh?
In other words, you're a living doll.
Really, Doc?
Shall we adjourn to the penthouse?
And stay out, you freeloader.
Riffraff.
Ah, you're the new doorman from the agency. Now your duty is to greet the guests at the door.
Yeah?
But remember, keep the freeloaders out.
Yes, sir.
Well, champ, we made it. Here, ruffian. What's with the heave-ho routine, champ?
The name is Jeeves, and you are a freeloader, sir.
Why, that double-crossing ex-pugilist. It's me, your old pal Doc. How humiliating. This calls for strategy.
Good evening, guests.
Yoo-hoo.
Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo.
Ah, my favorite, candied baby grasshoppers. This should make a man lose his temper. But hold on. This solves the dinner problem.
Huh?
Ah. Delicious.
Something wrong here. What the?
My, what an appetizing display. Corona.
You forgot your dessert.
Dessert? My, yes. How forgetful of me.
Throw that rowdy out. He's a freeloader.
Freeloader. How disgusting.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.